Avalign Technologies is a privately held manufacturing company. We serve the orthopedic medical device customers with instruments and implants. We have over 1,000 employees, and we supply most of the medical device manufacturers in the industry.
Our quality department wanted to find a way to do electronic inspection plans. We found 1factory, and to our surprise, not only do they do the inspection plans really well, but they also can extend beyond just that initial requirement.
We wanted the automatic data capture, we wanted to get into a paperless world, we wanted the SPC tracking, we wanted to be able to use all of this to help us improve our business.
We go through a pretty rigorous evaluation process with our high-level requirements, vetting against the capabilities, the security that the company offers, their validation status, their extendability, as well as their user interface. How easy is it? And 1factory ticked all the boxes.
1factory for us was really kind of a one-stop shop. It was really all contained into one system.
The onboarding process with 1factory was very seamless. We were implemented within weeks.
Now we're fully engaged with 1factory across our entire shop floor. There was a lot of hands-on training that went into it, and then we did get a lot of tips and tricks from 1factory to help with some of that seamless transition.
Ultimately, once everyone starts to learn the system, it's so much easier for them to use, and so we've gotten a lot of good feedback. And actually to the point where they ask us if we can do more in the system. So it's really been great engagement from a lot of the people.
We're finding the other modules within 1factory are very practical and are a good fit for our company, and we look forward to developing and implementing every module within 1factory.
1factory has given us solution after solution for how we can integrate our program so that when the program completes, it auto-populates my inspection data, and all I need to do is review it. It's been just a tremendous time saver for us, and it also has really helped us with having the right data at the right point.
As a medical device manufacturer, we are required to comply with FDA validation requirements. We have to demonstrate that our systems are constantly in control. And with 1factory, they really do such a phenomenal job at their validation, testing, and documentation that's eliminated a lot of the burden on our team to have to replicate that type of activity every time there's a software release.
Now that we've been using 1factory for 2 years, it helps us gain a competitive edge over our competitors. When our customers come in and we're interfacing with them, we can pull up their product right there and go over, this is how we're running, here's our trend charts, this is why you're not seeing any issues. 1factory's been a great partner for that, and quite honestly, we wouldn't be there without them.
There are thousands of software providers to select from. And during the sales cycle, you often find that the relationship is just terrific, and then it falls apart very quickly after you sign the contract. With 1factory, they stayed with us every step of the way, and they continue to partner with us into our future.